Welcome all. In this session, we are going to discuss that how we can identify the web element in Cypress using the Xpath. So let's start. Okay, so you can see if you want to get some better understanding about the Xpath, then you can watch this video, Xpath in Selenium and dynamic Xpath using functions on my channel. I will provide the link of this video in the description of this video. Okay, and these videos are available in the Hindi language, and I will provide the, you can say soon I will upload the same videos in the English language also. Okay, so now Cypress only supports CSS selector to identify the elements. However, it can also work with the XPath with the help of Cypress XPath plugin also. But here I want to tell you one important thing, that now Cypress do not recommend the XPath to be used in the Cypress automation. So that's why you can say in short that the use of Cypress XPath is depreciated in the, you can say, in the Cypress. But still, if you want, you can use it, or you should have some knowledge that if somebody is using in the existing framework, how it is working. Okay, for that purpose, how you can configure it? Simple, you can say that you have to follow this thing, 2 steps: run below command in the Cypress terminal. You have to run below command in the Cypress terminal, and then you have to include this line requires Cypress XPath in your support file. So first of all, we will go with the first part. So for that purpose, you can say I have already this suit file here, where I have written a code to open the application, Amazon application. Then I am finding the that search box, this one. Let me open this one. This search box I'm finding, and then I'm going to enter Nokia here, and then I'm clicking on this search button here. So for that purpose, I have already written this code here. Okay, now we want to use the, you can say, XPath for that. For that purpose, first of all, what is the first step? You have to run this command. So that I have already run in my, you can say, terminal here. And when I run it, you will see the depreciated message here. But don't worry about that, it will work. Okay, but it is giving the message that it is not recommended more now. Second step is that you have to go under the, you can say, your project support folder, and you have to add this line. Or simply you can go to this your support folder, and under the support folder there is a file that is called e2gs. Simply click on that, and after that you can simply paste that line that is required Cypress XPath. When you added this line, simply save it, and if you go to, you can say, your suit file here, now you can start using the XPath function. It will also be visible, cy.xpath. This function was not previously visible, but now after adding these two things like this Cypress XPath plugin and this line in the E2EGS, you will start using the XPath. So I'm going to show this thing how it works. Simply you have to write XPath here, and then you can start using it. I will do one thing. I'm using visit function to open the Amazon application. After that, let me comment these 2 lines, because now the same line to enter the data in the search text field, and just clicking on the search button, I will achieve with the help of XPath here. So first, for that purpose, first of all, let me go to here, and now let me create the XPath for that. So how you can create the XPath for that? This is my ID, and I'm going to create XPath, copy, and Control F, and here I can create the XPath. And you know that how you can create the XPath? Simply //input input, and that the syntax of XPath is @, and you have to write the attribute equal to single quotes and the value of that. So this is the XPath. Okay, this is the XPath, and now you can say I can use this XPath in my Cypress now by using the this XPath function here. I have passed it here now. Okay, now what I can do, let me simply, instead of single quote, let me make a double quote here. Okay, let me make a double quote here. And now I have, you can say, I have simply copied the XPath. Now I can call the function dot type Nokia. Okay. So let me copy it from here, and now let me paste here. So it will enter the Nokia. Okay, it will enter the Nokia in the search text field. Now, second thing is that I'm going to write the second line also. So let me copy this XPath function here, and now let me write it here. This time I want to find this search button. So let me write XPath for that also. So let me right click on this one, and let me click on inspect. And now this one, I am going to use the ID of this one also. Let me copy this one, and now I can write same thing here, this one. Okay, so this is the, you can say, submit button. Let me copy this thing here. Okay, let me copy this thing here. Also one thing here, I should use the double quote, so it will be easy for me. So let me do, yeah, it is working fine. So let me copy it from here, and now let me go to my code, and now in this field I will pass my, and now I need to click on that. So I'm going to use the same click function here. Let me enter or use the click function. Okay, now I'm ready to run this program, and now with the help of Xpath, we can run it. So for that purpose, let me open my Cypress npx because it is not open. Npx Cypress this is Cypress. Oh, okay, now it is going to open the Cypress. When it will open the Cypress, I will select my suite and then run it. Okay, let's open. Yeah, so E2E testing. Okay, now let me start using Chrome here. And now it will open my test suite. My test is available in the P suite. I will select my P suite here. And now it will start running. You will see that. So now, yeah, it's running. It entered the URL and now it is able to enter the Nokia also. Great. And now it is able to click on the search icon. So you can say that whole thing is working fine here. And you can see here logs here also. If you want to see, you can see the logs here. That is it working fine here. It is using, you can see the logs. It is using the XPath to locate the element here. Okay. So now in this way, if you want, you can use the XPath also. But again, I'm telling you, what is that? That the use of XPath is now no more recommended. And only the CSS selector is allowed to use, but you can say that. But if anybody is using the existing framework, if they are using the XPath, you can understand how it works, and you can, if you want to apply in your own project, you can apply it. But again, it is not recommended. Okay, so I hope you understand that how we can use the, you can say, XPath in our project of Cypress. If you have still any question, you can ask me in the comment of this video. And if you have not subscribed my channel till now, you can subscribe it. Thank you.